Hi guys! This lesson, we're going to talk about fan tracking. Before starting this game, you need to install fan module on the expansion HUD of left arm firstly. The installation method, principle, and command used in this video can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open Alex terminal. Enter command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can filing keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Please note that you'd better start the game in a wallet environment. Only one human face is allowed to appear to avoid a failing experience. Now let's look at performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.